So hello guys, this is yet another video for the top 50 SQL lead code question series. In the initial video, we have solved question number 1. Now we are going to solve the question number 2, find customer referee. I have already opened it in the another tab. So this is question number 2. You can let me zoom it out so you can. So yeah, in this question we are given a table named customer, and the column names are also given. So id, name and referee id are the column names, and along with their corresponding types int, varchar and int. In SQL, id is the primary key column for this table. So what is the primary key? Primary key is a column that is having unique values and not null values. Okay, so each row of this table indicates the id of a customer. Each row indicates what? The id of the customer, their name and the id of the customer who referred them. Okay, id of the customer, name and referee id. Okay, so what's the question? Find the names of the customer that are either referred by any customer with id is not equal to 2. Okay, with id not equal to 2, and either it says to apply us the condition of either or condition. Okay, and the second, it is not referred by any customer. Return the result table in any order, and the result format should look like as given in the example 1. So input should be like this: id, name, referee id, and the output should look like this. Okay, so let's move on to the solution part. Okay, let's move on to the solution part. Let me zoom. It is not getting zoomed. So select. So we need to select what? Select names of the customer. So select name from, okay, the name of the table customer. Okay, then enter. Then we have to apply these two conditions, either this or this. Where first thing is, find the names of the customer that are either referred by any customer with id not equal to 2. Okay, where referee id or referee id is not equal to 2, and then second condition is not referred by any customer. So in case of or, if any one of the condition is false, then it will give false. In the case of and, if both conditions are true, then it will, the result will show true. So or the second condition is not referred by any customer, and referee id. So not referred by any customer means referee id should be, we can't write is equal to null, so we should write is null. Okay, so let us run this.